What's up? Welcome back to another Up to Summit video. Today we're going to be doing some cooking next to this little lake, if that's what you can call it. We're cooking up the fillet.
Thin cut beef steaks. We've got this asparagus tips. We've got the mushroom slices. It's just a little
some
chill,
mushrooms.
A little chill.
And today we're going to be using the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. I'll get it out in a minute so you can have a look at it. This is my first time using it, so we're going to be cooking up this steak on it. We'll have to see how it does. So as I said, we're going to be using the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. This is it here. It's so small. That is how small it folds down into. So I'm just going to show you how you can undo it. And we're going to get it strapped onto the gas. Alright, so to unfold it, just pull this up. Pull that up. Pull that up. You just swing them around. Nice and easy. And just pop them all up like this. There you go, you've got your nice little stove there. That's how to set it up. And once you've got all these little prong things open, you just pull this down and then you're ready to go. There we go. There we go. Just screw it on. Nice and easy. Let's get a bit of this on here. Nice to rub that in. Massage it into the meat.
Okay, he's in the back of the spoon.
A bit more civilised than handling the meat like all before. I think that'll do nicely. Nice bit of salt and pepper. Save some of that for the other side. We're not professional cooks, as I'm sure you can probably already tell. Flip it over and get some on the other side. All that on there. It's okay. There we go, that's all seasoned now. We're just going to leave that to rest and then I'm going to get onto my mushrooms. There we go. That is the amount of seasoning that I saved him.
Should have brought some mayo.
You should have. You've got a few grains,
That's alright, I've got 4 beef steaks here.
Be grateful, be grateful. Look at that for a lovely spot though.
Yeah, you need to put some
Right, just let, what is it? Don't get away.
Yeah.
There we go, there we go.
Get the pan on it.
Just get it all around the pan. There we go, let's get a generous. Need a few mushrooms in here, hopefully I don't knock it off. I think that'll do. I do, it's getting cooked already. It's literally been on like 30 seconds. And this isn't even on full power. But I think if you do it full power, we might just burn them.
Most definitely.
There we go, look at those lovely golden brown mushrooms. There we go, he's just cooking up his asparagus. Well, as I'm sure you can probably hear, this is on like one of the highest settings. You can actually go a bit higher. Yeah. But then you can turn it all the way down, just to like a nice, almost just a flame.
Yeah.
There we go, they're pretty much done. Time to stick them on your plate. Let's get this meat in the pan. Okay. Ooh. Oh, close one. Just didn't put it on properly. So as you can see, I've definitely charred it a bit too much there. I think it were on a bit too high temperature at the start. Look at that side. That side is looking good. After we turn down that heat.
That side's looking tender.
Look at that. Lovely. There we go, time to eat. Look at that. Absolutely lovely that looks. I cannot wait to eat that. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like and a sub. I'm going to be doing all kinds of content like this. He's just dropped his steak on the floor. Definitely not the most successful. I've kind of chopped it up. It's a bit tricky to get this cooked right in the middle because it's so thick, so I may have made a bit of a mistake. Some of the pieces are alright, but some they're just struggling to get cooked in the middle. But I have never cooked a steak in my life, outside or inside, so I was asking a lot for it to go well on the first time. Here we go, I'm just going to eat this little bit here, see what it's like. It tastes good at least. Here we go, let's try a bit with the mushroom. It might not look it, but it tastes really nice. I'm not sure if you can see it over there in the distance, but there's just a heron. It's like just walking really slow. So there you go, that was cooking a steak on the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. Overall, it went not too bad. To say I've never cooked a steak before, it wasn't too bad. Obviously I did overdo it a little bit and the inside wasn't quite done how it should be, but I guess it was my first time ever cooking steak, so I can't really expect it to go perfect. Overall though, for the size of it, it is so small as the Pocket Rocket, it can literally fit in your pocket, and it still managed to cook that steak. So if you are looking for an ultralight stove to take away when you go wild camping or backpacking, this is definitely the one for you. If you do like this video and if you want to see more content, wild camping, wild cooking, and just going on walks,
most definitely,
make sure to leave a like and also drop a sub, and I'll catch you in the next one.